Hello there, this is the Amiga 4000 which I have just listed on eBay. Disc in the way. I thought I'd do a video of it running so you can see. It's using a CF as a hard drive. That's a 2GB SanDisk with 3 partitions. This board has been recapped a couple of years ago. Well, it might have been last year actually. The CPU card I recapped a couple of days ago with ceramic capacitors. 2015 I recapped it. The motherboard. It's an Amiga 4000 AGA 3.1 ROMs. I think it's got 16GB of, no, it hasn't, 12GB of fast RAM. There's a spare slot there for another 2. That's the ID lead for the CF card. Power pack, obviously. The CD drive isn't plugged in at the moment because the lead won't reach, basically. That's a Gotek drive and the CD there. The keyboard's fully working. I did clean this machine, the case and everything. I stripped it completely in the summer and cleaned it. And I haven't used it since, to be honest. The mouse has had new buttons put in it, so they work fine. The case is there. I think it's got a date on it. What does that say? 1999, what does that say? Oh, 1993 I think it says. Yeah, the keyboard is in nice condition. These keyboards are getting rare and expensive to buy now, as is most Amiga stuff. But anyway, I'll show it running a few demos on Workbench and things so you can see it working. So as you can see, it's running the Boinboard demo. This is a collection of a couple of discs which were the Workbench demos. I'll reboot it actually. It's running through a SCART lead which is included in the sale, as is the power lead and the mouse obviously. So this is the Gotek drive. Not sure what else is on here. 3D is just a spinning logo. Robo City is quite a famous Amiga demo. Don't know what the sound effects are, but we'll have a look. Obviously a secret what that does. What does that do? Don't know what that does either. What does that do? Oh! No, no. Alright, okay. Well, I don't have instruments actually. Oh, that must be another disc. Alright. Sorry putting these demos on, but I don't know how to get them off. How do you get them off? Don't know. I've never used this disc before, so I don't know. I'm messing about with the Gotex. I've never used it before. Mandrill. Oh yeah, that's a famous picture. The mandrill. Gotek flashing away there. Was that the best you could do, Commodore? these are rubbish. Oh my goodness. Well, they're pretty poor. Right, let's see what the other disc does. Disc 2. So the workbench disc, the workbench demo disc has disappeared, and another disc should appear. Oh, instruments, I see. Okay. Alright. What about another disc? No, I don't. I've only got 2 discs loaded on the GoTech. Oh well. There's nothing else on this hard drive at the moment. I will fill it up tomorrow. I'll put some stuff on it. Reboot the machine. Oh, I'll run SYS info. Okay. It's using a 68030 at the standard 25 megahertz, and it's what they call them. I can't remember what they are. 6333, whatever the CPU card is for the 030. That's what it is. So you can hear the normal floppy drive working away. Now what this usually does in the 4000, it should be just a shade under the Amiga 3000 speed. 25 megahertz 030. It is an 030, there's no FPU, MMU's off, 25 megahertz, ECS 2 meg. ECS 2 meg? Oh, this is an old SYS info then, it is version 3. Don't know what AGA is, do you? It's before AGA, this thing. DHL, let's try speed. This is the CF card, the SanDisk 2000. That's pretty good. Not sure if I have any games to run on it as such, but I will put some on. I was going to use a different hard drive, CF drive, that's already got games on it and things, but don't like it for some reason. I've got a couple more drives, but I've put them down, I don't know where they are. Pro Tracker. This is just a random disc I've picked up. Pro Tracker, alright. If you've got anything, how do you load? Oh, do you know what? This has been some years. How do you do it? It's the Discop, is it? Discop? DFO. There we go. Modules. Mobius. Alright. Can't open Mobius. Phew. What else have we got? End play, otherwise. Don't know. Oh, that's disappointing. Oh, can't open Power Packer library. Oh, because it won't be on. Because I've not installed it, I'm just running it. How do you quit this damn thing? Quit, 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 quit. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure actually. I wonder if it's got the Power Packer library on here. It should have. Libs. Yeah, okay. So we'll pop these. Come on. I'm driving this mouse on my jeans leg. It's a bit tricky. Library, right, so if we open your library, we pop Power Packer in there, MIDI, if I know the reason then we can. Anything there I might need? Don't know. Right, we'll reboot that. I could just boot it off of DFO really. Is it going to boot off DFO? Yes it is. We'll just play a bit of music and I'll do another video tomorrow evening. Ooh, Workbench 3.1. I'll do another video tomorrow evening with it running WHD load and some various games and programs and depaint and all that sort of good stuff, all the good stuff. I might put Classic Workbench on if I get time. Pro Tracker, okay. Disc-op. Oh, this has been such a long time. Oh God. No, DFO, not DHO. Put more on it now. There we go. Reading the Power Pack module. Well, obviously the sound works. Quick. There we go. Yes'm. Robot anim. Will that auto run? No, it won't. Yeah, shut up. Alright, shut up. What's that? Ooh. Oh, it's a PowerPoint type thing, is it? That's a presentation thingy mabob, I suspect. Okay, well, I'll eject that disk or reboot. I've got a game, something that can load. Oh, I've got a demo, Reflex demo. Right, well, I'll play the Reflex demo, and I think that'll do for tonight. I'm not sure if this is AJ compatible, to be honest. It might not be. But we'll have another go. Well, you don't like AJ, do you? See if that works. That's better. Well, that's a reflex demo. It seems to be working alright. Right, that'll do for tonight. I'll do another video tomorrow. We're using WHD load and various other things. I think that'll do for the Amiga 4000. Thank you.